Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use Post-it notes in Samsung Notes. So in One UI 7 and 8, Samsung Notes now lets you create digital Post-it notes directly on your device. So this is perfect for jotting quick ideas, grocery list, or reminders, and they sync seamlessly with your Samsung account. So here we'll go ahead and open up Samsung Notes. Let's go ahead and create a new note. Now this is Samsung Note, however, you can go ahead and add a Post-it note on top of it. So if you tap on the plus sign here, go ahead and choose Sticky Note. Now here you can go ahead and write your sticky note. Now you can go ahead and choose all your different colors for your sticky notes. Now once you're done, press back. And this will basically become an icon here. You can leave it expanded as you like, or you can minimize it. It's completely up to you. So you can keep your thoughts and reminders organized visually. You can color code notes for better prioritization, and you can sync across all the Galaxy devices so your idea travels with you. So there you go, guys. That is how to create Post-it sticky notes in your Samsung Galaxy Notes.